Turmeric is everywhere right now. Golden milk, health shots, supplements. Everyone is talking about it. But here's the real question most people never ask. Are you actually getting its full benefit or just wasting it? Because turmeric on its own is powerful, yes, but not nearly as powerful as it could be. For years, you've probably heard one thing repeated over and over. Always take turmeric with black pepper. It's become almost like a rule. Influencers say it, health blogs repeat it, and even supplement companies highlight it. The reason? Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, believed to enhance absorption of curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric. Sounds perfect, right? Problem solved? Not exactly. Because what if there's something even better, something most people are completely overlooking? Let's slow down and really understand what's happening inside your body. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound linked to anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It's often discussed in areas like nutrition and pharmacology for its potential benefits. But there's a major problem. Curcumin is notoriously hard for your body to absorb. That means you could be consuming turmeric every day and still not getting much of its actual benefit. This is where pairing comes in. Black pepper became popular because piperine can slow down the breakdown of curcumin in the liver, allowing more of it to enter the bloodstream. And yes, that does help, but it's not the full story. Because absorption is not just about slowing breakdown, it's also about how substances dissolve and travel inside your body. Curcumin is fat-soluble. That means it doesn't dissolve well in water. It needs fat to be properly absorbed. Without fat, much of it simply passes through your system unused. Now think about that for a second. If curcumin needs fat to be absorbed, then why is most of the focus on black pepper and not on what actually carries it into your system? This is where things start to shift. In many traditional cuisines, turmeric was rarely used alone. It was often cooked in oils, especially natural fats. Long before modern science explained absorption, people were already combining turmeric with fat-rich ingredients. And among these, one stands out: extra virgin olive oil. But we're not revealing everything just yet. Let's go deeper. Fats act as carriers. When you consume fat with fat-soluble compounds like curcumin, they form structures that help transport these compounds through your digestive system and into your bloodstream. This dramatically improves how much your body can actually use. Even modern research continues to explore how lipid-based delivery systems enhance nutrient absorption. In simple terms, fat helps unlock turmeric's true potential. So where does that leave black pepper? It still plays a role. It can enhance bioavailability by affecting metabolism. But relying on black pepper alone may not be enough to fully maximize turmeric's benefits. And here's something most people don't realize. You can take turmeric with black pepper and still miss out on a huge portion of its power if there's no fat present. Now think about how most people consume turmeric today. Mixed in water, sprinkled over food without oil, or taken in capsules on an empty stomach. In many of these cases, absorption is far from optimal. So what's the better approach? Instead of focusing on just one enhancer, the real strategy is combining turmeric with the right environment for absorption. And that environment includes healthy fats. This brings us closer to the truth. Extra virgin olive oil isn't just any fat. It's rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and natural compounds that support overall health. When paired with turmeric, it doesn't just sit there. It actively helps carry curcumin into your system, where it can be used effectively. But here's the key revelation. While black pepper helps prevent curcumin from breaking down too quickly, extra virgin olive oil helps your body actually absorb it in the first place. And without absorption, nothing else matters. That's the part most people miss. So the real answer isn't choosing one over the other, it's understanding what truly matters most. If you had to prioritize, pairing turmeric with a healthy fat like extra virgin olive oil provides the essential foundation for absorption. Black pepper can enhance the process, but the fat is what makes the process possible. So the next time you use turmeric, don't just follow the trend. Don't just sprinkle black pepper and think you're done. Instead, think deeper. Combine it with the right fat, prepare it the right way, and give your body the chance to actually use what you're consuming. Because sometimes the most powerful health secrets aren't about adding more, they're about pairing smarter. Please show some support by subscribing to our channel. Also like our videos and share for more.